If you spend a lot of time scrolling through the hashtag wellness on Instagram, you'll be more than familiar with the community's obsession with apple cider vinegar. But what exactly makes it so special? In particular, how and why does apple cider vinegar make you lose weight? If you're wondering whether to bother with this healthy remedy yourself, we'll cover everything you need to know in this video. First off, the basics. Apple cider vinegar is made from fermented apples, and its main active ingredient is acetic acid. It's this acetic acid that people love so much, and a whole load of studies exist to back up its benefits. Not only can acetic acid lower blood sugar, it's also incredibly helpful in weight loss. One animal study found that acetic acid has metabolism boosting properties and that exposure to acetic acid increased certain enzyme levels and increased fat burning. Similarly, acetic acid also has been found to suppress the parts of the brain that control your appetite and even reduce fat storage in people who are overweight. Not only this, but apple cider vinegar has even been found to produce an increased number of genes that support fat burning. It's worth keeping in mind that all of these studies were carried out on animals, so we can't say for sure whether they fully relate to humans just yet. But that doesn't mean there aren't plenty of studies that have been done on humans, and some of them are incredibly interesting. For example, one small study conducted in 2005 found that apple cider vinegar might decrease your appetite and help you feel full for longer. In the study, participants who took a shot of apple cider vinegar with a high-carb meal had a 55% lower blood sugar response after eating. They also took in 200 to 275 fewer calories for the rest of the day. Another small study, this one dating all the way back to 1998, showed that when apple cider vinegar was taken with a starch-heavy meal, it slowed down the process of stomach emptying. This led to lower blood sugar, lower insulin levels, and a longer-lasting feeling of fullness. Hence, apple cider vinegar may stop you from grabbing for calorie-ridden snacks because you simply won't want it. So, does this mean that apple cider vinegar is as good for weight loss as the internet claims? For the most part, yes. Apple cider vinegar can have an effect on both weight and body fat. One Japanese study from 2009 certainly supports this theory. For 12 weeks, adults with obesity took part in a trial in which they were split into 3 groups. The participants in the first group took 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar each day. The second group took 2 tablespoons. The third group took nothing at all. The benefits observed from the first group were very positive. On average, participants in this group lost 2.6 pounds of weight and saw a 0.7% decrease in body fat. They even saw a 25% decrease in triglycerides, a type of fat found in the blood. For the second group, who'd taken 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, the results were even more incredible. On average, the group lost 3.7 pounds of weight and saw a 0.9% decrease in body fat. They saw a slightly higher decrease in triglycerides, this time 26%. On the other hand, the placebo group gained an average of 0.9 pounds and their waist circumference increased slightly. From the research, it's easy to see why so many people swear by apple cider vinegar for weight loss. If you want to incorporate the vinegar into your own diet, you'll be able to find it on sale at your local supermarket or health food store. You can choose to either shoot your vinegar before your meals or simply add it straight into your food. Experts say that a daily dose of 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar is all it takes to support you in your weight loss mission and decrease your body fat percentage, belly fat, and blood triglycerides. With that said, apple cider vinegar alone won't be enough to help you lose weight. You'll need to make sure you're also eating a healthy, plentiful diet and keeping yourself active in order to achieve your weight loss goals. Additionally, make sure to stick with the recommended dose of apple cider vinegar, as too much can produce a whole host of unpleasant side effects. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on 15 amazing benefits of apple cider vinegar. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.